Hello everyone! Start off by taking a section of the hair from the front, braid this portion. Then take a section right behind it and using the braid as one of the sections, make another braid right underneath it. Now use the rest of the hair once more and the braid as another section and braid the rest of the hair. Tie multiple rubber bands on it once you are done after you have rolled it up. For our next hairdo, take the front of the hair, make two sections out of it and make two cubical hair ponies. Then braid the bottom of it. Taking the rest of the hair, make another braid, roll it upwards and add multiple rubber bands to it. Next, take a section of the hair from the top and then braid the hair. Then, add this to another braid that you are making at the bottom, roll the hair over and add multiple rubber bands to it. Next, take another section of the hair from the front, tie a rubber band to it and make a ponytail. Make two braids out of the section of the hair and then join it as such. Start off by making three sections of the hair before the central parting. Join them in an opposite pyramid-like structure and then make a ponytail at the bottom. Divide the hair into two sections, make a ponytail at the top and then make another ponytail right under and repeat this step one more time. For the bottom, make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band to it once you are done. It can be a decorative rubber band. Divide the hair into two portions on one of the sides and make two braids out of it. Using one of the braids, make a ponytail and then add a ponytail at the bottom. Start off by adding a ponytail at the top and then do one right at the bottom as well. Using the section of the second ponytail, make a braid out of it. This is a sort of French braid except we will only be including sections from the right side that is before the central parting. Once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band and make a ponytail. Thank you for watching.